The motor on our Viking dishwasher keeps running. It will go through a whole cycle, but instead of shutting off after the dry cycle, the motor keeps running. Any ideas how to fix this?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Can you open the door and put enough water in the tub to cover the floor of the tub inside manually? Then shut the door and let the motor keep running. Does the water drain out after 1 to 2 minutes? Or is it washing with the water?
It drains the water. It will go through a regular wash cycle and then drain, and then when it goes to dry, the motor keeps running, like it is trying to drain. It remains on when I open the door, and then if I pour water in, it immediately drains out.
Unfortunately, your dishwasher is stuck in flood mode. That impeller that is turning is actually the drain pump continuously running. What that means is that water has worked its way down into the base pan below the dishwasher tub, causing the unit to do nothing but drain. This is normally caused by the drain being clogged or too many suds in the tub, causing the tub to overflow a bit. Either way, you'll need to uninstall the dishwasher and tip it forward at a 45-degree angle to drain the water out of the base pan. Be sure to put a towel under the dishwasher first so that the water is soaked up in the towel instead of going all over the floor. Once you've drained all the water out of the base pan, reinstall the dishwasher and pour a gallon of water in the dishwasher. If it drains it out right away and doesn't wash or refill, you still have water left in the base pan to try again, otherwise you're good to go. Now, if you don't want to do all this work just to get your dishwasher working again and you have time, let the dishwasher just sit unused for a week and the water in the base pan will evaporate as time goes on and the dishwasher will start working again after a week. Also, if you find no water that comes out below the dishwasher when you tilt it forward, then the technician is correct and the entire control board would need to be replaced to fix the issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.